Here's a typical farm road looking north, and here's a typical farm road looking south. But what's behind me is a not so typical geological site in the middle of Minnesota farmland. We're gonna go check it out. Well, we're headed to a place called the Chimney Rock Scientific and Natural Area, and it's in between the towns of Hastings and Farmington in Dakota County. Now, I've been through this area countless times on a motorcycle before, but I never knew it was there until just recently. Now, I'm taking a series of paved and gravel roads just out of Hastings, and we should be there in just a few minutes. Chimney Rock is described in Minnesota's geology as an erosional remnant of the St. Peter sandstone, standing like a kingpin, ready to be bowled over by the next glacial advance. Chimney Rock stands nearly 30 feet tall and is 10 feet at the base. While most of the spire is poorly cemented sandstone, its cap is harder and more resistant to weathering. Because this delicate structure is still standing, geologists say it's clear evidence this area hasn't been touched by glacial ice for over 100,000 years. Now, if you go up the trail a bit from the spire, there's some more sandstone formation that's worth checking out. Keep in mind that no trails are maintained here, nor are there any facilities, so wear the right shoes and be sure to do your business in town before you head this way. Now, this site is pretty small and it's a unique area, so be sure to tread lightly and be mindful of the private property that surrounds the area. To learn more about the Chimney Rock Scientific and Natural Area, be sure to click the Minnesota DNR link below. Well, thanks for coming with me and I hope you had fun. Please give me a like and a subscribe would be great too. And we'll see you down the road.